guys, what's good, what's poppin', how you guys doing? I'm sure you missed my voice, I'm sure you missed my face, duh. As you can see, I have stretched out my hair and I'm acting really crazy. I'm like, let's go, let's do this. I am gonna be slicking down this hair really flat for you guys today. And I first stretched out this hair because I wouldn't be using any hair extensions. As you can see here, I am detangling my hair. Ooh, I hate voiceovers, but we move. Okay guys, so I'm detangling my hair and I am not detangling on dry hair. I have now given myself a deep parting space to work with for this style, as you can see. And I'll be going in once again with my rat tail comb to straighten out the parting space, just to make it look really neat. We'll be using Eco Styler gel for this hairstyle to get this hair really flat. You can use any gel of your choice, but at this point I just have Eco Styler gel in my cupboard, so I just picked that up and decided to use it for this style. So yeah, I'm just slapping that on my head, like pa as much as I can. I'm taking like huge amounts and I'm just slapping it. And then I'm taking my paddle brush to brush out my hair. And I'm also using my Demon brush. That's not really a Demon brush, but let's just call it that. I'm just using that to just smooth out the hair and slick it down really flat. I can count how many times I've said flat in this video, but that's the word, that's what we're gonna use, period. Let's move. Damn it. Ugh. At this point I was looking for my hair ruffle and I found it. Hey. This is what I get when I never planned before filming. I literally just film without planning, without arranging my stuff, and that's not good. But anyways, so I'm just doing the second side of my head and I'm just slapping gel on this side, putting as much gel as possible. You guys, quality. In order to get quality, you need quantity for this hairstyle. You cannot just be managing products. You need to use as much product as possible. So yeah, I put a lot of products on this hair, and yes, gel is not good for your natural hair, but it's for the video. So yeah, I'm just doing the same thing. As you can see, this bad boy is laying a flat. And I'm just telling you guys that I'm gonna go in with more gel and put that on my hair, and that's what we do. Oh. Right here in this clip, I am taking off the hair ruffles and I'm joining both sides of my head together so I can form one whole bun at the back of my head. Guys, my hair has grown a lot. Can you guys see? Anyways, I've not been posting my hair on this channel, but my hair was really short, but during this period I have really taken care of my hair. Like, look at that bun. No extensions needed. Like, what? Slap. What the heck. Okay, this thing wants to play with me, huh? You must lay flat today, nonsense. So I'm just taking a bobby pin and I am just pinning that annoying misbehaving strand to the back, and I'm adding more gel to make it flat before I put on my hair scarf, okay, to lay it even more flat there. Yes, so more dance. Try guys, I'm sorry, see holding this scarf. But I beg go, no fronting. We move. guys in, let's say, 10 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, since this is a 3-in-1 video, I am going to be doing quick makeup looks. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just showing you guys how I do some lip combos with this look, hairstyle, and also I'm going to be adding an outfit to it at the end. I'm just doing 2 lips. The first one is this nude lip, and I'm going to be using a concealer as like to give it this, what do you call this, ombre effects on my lips. I saw a YouTuber do this and I really liked it, so I decided to do it this time around and try it, and it actually looks really good. And obviously I'm the lip gloss queen. I love when my lips are dripping wet. I love when my lips are wet. So I'm just going to be adding lip gloss to my lips, and that's basically my nude lip. As you can see, glow from within. And I'm ready to take this scarf off because 10 minutes has passed and you guys are going to see the magic underneath. Are you ready? No. Are you ready? Are you ready? Huh? Baby hairs, because what is a sleek hair do without baby hairs? Like what? Okay guys, you guys, I don't know if I can do my baby hair off camera, but I'm going to try because there's a method to this madness. Ooh, it's looking good. Guys, I'm not really sure how you guys lay your baby hairs, but I just make small swoops in the way that I feel like. So let me know in the comments how you lay your baby hairs, because I just do what works for me, man. Now this is the final look with the nude lip. See fine babe, why your ma? Oh she baddest. Now number 2 lip look. I'm gonna be going in with my red Sephora lipstick after I lined it with my lip liner. I'm just gonna slap that on my lips. As you can see, juicy, sumptuous baby. Now I'm just playing around. But yeah, this is the final look with my red, bold, sexy lips. Like, bang, da da dang. Hair slayed, outfit slayed, everything slayed. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. Oh.